The next concept we're going to learn before we learn the where object command and how to build a where object command are the comparison operators. Up here we said that the result of the comparison has only two possible outcomes, Boolean true or Boolean false. So don't worry about the word Boolean. If you're into that stuff, if you're a programmer, you might recognize that. If not, don't worry about it for now. The thing is, you cannot use the equal sign, the greater than sign, the less than sign in these where object commands. You have to use these things here, the -EQ, -NE, and so on. And we will be using all these commands. Let me move this picture over here. We're going to be using these as we go through this. So you just have to learn to recognize these and know how to use them, and it's not that tough. EQ, equal, right? That makes sense. NE, not equal. GT, greater than. LT, less than. GE, greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to for LE. CEQ is case sensitive equal. Case sensitive not equal. Case sensitive greater than. Case sensitive less than. Case sensitive greater than or equal to. Case sensitive less than or equal to. And now we have some others, and, or. We can use these when we're comparing operators if I want two things. I want if this is true and this is true, or if this is true or this is true. We also have a not if this is not true. We have something called the like. We use the like when we're doing string comparisons, and we will talk about those later on. Not like, again, string comparisons, the string matches, if the string doesn't match. Case sensitive if the string matches, or C like, and case sensitive if the string does not match. C not like. Now, these are the ones I want you to learn for now. We will use these others that are in gray down here later on. Match, not match, C match, or case sensitive match, and case sensitive not match. These will be used with something called regular expressions, which we will talk about in a later module. So don't worry about those right now. But you should be able to recognize in a question or quiz or in creating the commands, recognize all of these and know how to construct them when you need to construct them. We will be using these. Now remember, these are not all of the operators. I've given you a sampling of them. No down through C not like, in other words, all the ones that are not gray. And then if you want more information about this, you can say get help about _comparison operators, and that will get you the get help file about these comparison operators. There are a few commandlets that use equal, less than, greater than, and so on, but they are few and far between, so we're not going to pay too much attention to those for now. In the next video then, we are going to talk about creating that where object structure, and it's not just a simple command like the ones we've used before. You actually have to create a structure in something called a script block.